let's look at the example of how zero-shot prompting works. I will be copy and pasting an example prompt. It says, write a short summary of the benefits of remote work. Very simple. I will be submitting and see how ChatGPT replies. It says, remote work offers numerous benefits for both employees and employers. For example, it provides greater flexibility, allowing them to better balance personal, professional responsibilities, blah, blah, blah. So it generated a text, and it is basically coming based off of what it's been trained in the past. And currently I'm using ChatGPT 4 as the model. And in the future, there may be a newer model that you may be using. But essentially, whatever it was trained on, maybe it's some article that it's read, maybe there are some book and other materials that it has read, and then generate this content. In essence, I basically did not give any parameters other than give me a short summary. It's like talking to 10 different people telling me about the short summary of benefits and getting different results, and maybe there's no control over it. For example, if I hit new chat and then if I submit same exact prompt, there you go. It's giving me completely different output this time. And this is a characteristics of zero-shot prompting, where you're just asking it to do something and you're not giving maybe as much instructions, you're not giving examples, you're not giving a structure. So it's going to do its best at its best, right? And it may not be predictable in what it's able to output. Now, even in a single prompting or zero-shot prompting, you'll be able to define more things in this one input that I'm able to provide, and to start defining more and more. But just to know that if you just give a simple statement like write a short summary of something, then you don't exactly know what you're going to get. Now, this may actually be really useful when you actually don't have any idea of what you're looking for. For example, maybe I'm going to be writing about the benefits of remote work, but maybe I don't have enough context to start giving instructions or specificity of maybe summary of benefits of remote work in United States, or even specifically in Washington State where I used to work. And as I hone in on details, maybe I'll be able to get the kind of content that I want. But at the beginning of writing a blog post where I vaguely have an idea of what I want to write, maybe this is a great way to just get started because reading the output such as increased productivity, cost savings, flexibility, work-life balance, these might give me idea on, you know what, maybe I'll write about remote work specifically in terms of cost savings, and I'll just focus on that. And that could be expanded on to talk about how you don't need to get a lease for an office, which might be great for startups. Or maybe you don't have to purchase office snacks, which is a benefit to working at an office where you get, common area where you can grab, some drinks, coffee, and snacks when you're hungry. But you don't need to offer that because employees are working remotely. So this might be a great way to give me examples and ideas on getting started, but this may not be a great way for you to write a final material or even like a final draft of material where you just need to tweak. You'll be starting off from some blank slate. So again, zero-shot prompting, in most cases, you're just providing a one single input without too much detail on the structure or the direction of where you want it. Although you could write a lot of these instructions in single input, most likely you'll want to leverage the techniques that we'll be talking through later. But yeah, again, great start. great for brainstorming, and I encourage you to try some of the examples that's available in this course example to see what kind of example output you get. And also I encourage you to try to get multiple outputs using same exact prompt and see what kind of different results you get each time.